Well, ladies and gentlemen, the morning gardener here. Lighting's not great in here because I haven't went through the trouble of opening up the lighting. Let's see what I can do here. Yeah, there we go. Okay, these are all peppers. First of all, I'm starting them off first this year. It takes them anywhere from 6 to 8 weeks to, do what they need to do. And let's see, I go in here, um, give them some water. Let me move something out of the way here. This is a package, probably got seeds in it. And just go ahead and spray them. That's right. Moisten them. You don't want them wet, just moist. And when you put them in the area where I'm going to put them at, they're going to go inside of a black plastic bag, tied up, and that will allow them to do what they got to do. Let's see, we got the Ozark pepper. It's a giant bell pepper. And then we got sweet banana. That's good. I think I grow those every year. Cayenne pepper. And the cayenne is just some old seeds I had laying around. They probably about from 2015. And I'm going to tell you, sometimes they do just as good. Just as good. I just pulled them out because I said, no, go ahead and use them. And let's see what we got here. Got a jalapeno there on the end right here. Mild. So those are old seeds too, because I didn't. The new one, why open them? And these are going to do just fine. And I will show each and every one of you they're going to do just fine. And what I do, some of the seeds in here are seeds I saved from the where's the one, the giants? Banana, chili, I saved those. Giant bell peppers, I saved those. And they're from 2015, so they're good. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm not going to talk too long. This is my water supplies here. All of it's full because I hate running when I'm doing things, and that's my soil mix. You see my little container up there of my what I put on the top of it. I can't think of the name of it right now because you got the perlite, and then you got the the other one. And then I got this one right here, which is my soil mix. Some beautiful stuff here. Yeah. Okay, folks. That's it. That's the alarm said my food is ready. And just in time, I got all my seeds done. Bada boom, bada bang. Thank you for tuning in and watching some of my videos. And remember, folks, if you have any questions, any comments, anything like that, please leave a comment. And if you have time, also subscribe. Thank you. This is the Morning Gardener.